Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Optimum HR. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in optimumhr.net and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Optimum HR. Now from the home page, click on the login button at the top right corner and then choose your appropriate employee login. Once you click on your appropriate login portal, you will be allowed to enter your credentials. Now type in the username that you have set while signing up for your account and then click on the next button. You will then be asked to enter your account password. Go ahead and type in your account password and then click on the login button and you will be logged into your account on Optimum HR. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Optimum HR. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.